We integrated SmartLink in 2017 with the help of Weathermatic and Lex Mason. By putting that controller in, the client saves water, thus saving dollars immediately. The return on investment starts day one because there's no upfront cost, no capital expenditure for the client. With Silversand Services having over 1,300 irrigation controllers in use today, that allows us to manage a large portfolio. With the touch of a button, we can shut down the city. When we've had these major freezes the past 2 years, it has allowed us to take care of irrigation controls immediately and allowed us to reduce our overall labor. Now, instead of 2 people, 1 guy at the controller, 1 guy in the field, everything can be done instantaneously from 1 inspector in the field on an iPad, doing the inspection and showing the next inspector what to repair. One of the most unique features about Weathermatic is the ability to be transparent with the client. Not only do we see what's going on the job site, but the client has the ability to log in, look at their job site, see how much they're using, when they're using it, and then also on top of that, the inspection tools. So we're allowed to do our inspections in the field, thus the client can see that on a monthly basis. Also, the picture aspect of the SmartLink system allows the client to actually see the breaks, understand what's going on in the field, and make those decisions to approve those repairs immediately. The unique part about Weathermatic in the service department is the ability to contact someone locally in Dallas, Texas that can handle our needs immediately. That's getting repairs done, that's getting controllers shipped out, that's questions. All of those things can be done at a drop of a hat, and I can tell you today that Weathermatic is the best in the industry when it comes to their service and support of their premier partners.